Hi there, it's John from NETGEAR here at InfoComm 2025. Let's talk about our Pro AV design team. So we have a team of professionals, it's over 20 people I believe, worldwide now. We keep expanding that team. They're available to you for free for consultation services for before you install your network. What the heck should I put in? Which switch of yours should I put in this installation? What kind of uplink ports do I need? They'll help you learn the switch and how to configure it. They'll also help you throughout installation for any problems that might arise, then after installation as well for ongoing support. This is a team of high-level system engineers who've worked in IT for a number of years, and now they know AV as well, so they know what pain you're going through. They've probably been through that same issue before, and they can tell you some workarounds and tips and tricks, and they understand you may be under the gun on a Saturday night under a rack somewhere, and they will help you out and figure out what is going wrong with your system and help coach you through learning about our switches. This is all for free from NETGEAR. All you have to do is send an email to proavdesign@netgear.com. Check out our Pro AV design services.